The winner of the 2013 Billabong Best Girl Performance Award is Kiala Kettley.
Ski all day. Having somebody look out for you like that not only gives you the confidence to perform at the highest level, but it also really can save your life. And I feel like if we had more water safety in place, my boy Sion and some of our other fallen brothers would still be with us. And I look forward to the day that the surfing industry and the brands will be as supportive as you guys are to the women. There's no reason that these strong, beautiful athletes who are at the top of their sport should be without decent paying sponsors. The coolest thing about winning this award is that I get to dedicate it to my son. He's too young to know what this, to even understand what this means, but I know one day he will, and I think he'll be really proud of me. And thanks to his baby mama for bringing him into this world. That's all I got for you on this step.